Mrs. Gerber here with another library lesson. Today we are finishing the engineering design process. You all have worked so hard on your designs, imagining all the possibilities and planning it out and then actually creating. I have loved seeing your creations that you've made. So now it is time to test it out, to see how your design works, and then to improve it if we need to. Okay. In your STEM journals, we will be using the recording sheet as we do our trial runs and see how it goes. I'm going to show you in action first, and then you can go ahead and get started. Now, to get started here, you want to have your completed rocket launcher and then some way to measure. So maybe measuring tape, or you can see I have a yardstick here to measure. I'm also going to be showing you an app in just a second here. And also just make sure with your rocket launcher here that the straw is secure in the back, because we're actually going to be blowing into the straw to launch it off, and that's what we're measuring today, is the distance. Now you do have an app on your iPad right here called Measure that you could use to measure the distance of your rocket. I will warn you that it can be glitchy. It's pretty sensitive with the light and everything. So if it's not working, don't worry. You could always use, a yardstick or measuring tape. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. The first thing to do here, you need to move the iPad back and forth till it can get the feel of your area here, since it's using your camera. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm looking for that little white dot. There it is. I'm going to tap the white dot on my rocket where it landed. And my starting point where I stood was right over here at the black stool. So I'm just going to slowly inch my way over and then hit that white dot again. Oh, I almost made it, and then there we go. There we go. Okay, so that distance, when I stood right there and shot it off, it says it is 36 inches. So that would be trial number 1. And what I need to do now in the top corner here, I'll hit clear. So I'll write that down on my sheet, hit clear. And then again, standing at your starting point. So I would stand at that stool, blow and shoot it off and see if I could get it even further across there, okay? And that is the Measure app on your iPad. In Schoology, heading into the folder for this week and whatever day it is, you'll see just 2 things: testing your rocket booster video, which we're watching now, and part 2, submit your rocket booster recording sheet. So for this, I'm going to show you in the attachments here what it looks like. This page is the last page in your STEM journals and your engineering design kits that you got. So you're going to do 5 trials total, recording in inches each one, and answer these last 2 questions. During which trial did your rocket travel the highest? And what factors do you think contributed to the rocket traveling higher? Okay. Now you could send this to Notability, or you can just snap a picture of the paper copies you have and click the blue plus sign and insert it as a photo or video, okay? This concludes our engineering design challenge. I hope you have had fun designing and actually testing them out today.